Hey y'all, let's make some fire cider today. This is an old Appalachian recipe, and you might know it from wherever you're from, but I'm from North Carolina, and so we kind of claim it, but you might have your own way. I guarantee you've probably got everything you need to make it with in your cabinets, in your fridge, so let's grab some stuff. Get you a mason jar, you can get a quart size, you can get a pint, it doesn't matter. Get your jar, get you some spices. The spices I have today are powder because I didn't have the fresh, but I've got turmeric, that's essential, so is ginger. And I like a whole lot of black pepper, but that's a whole nother story and a whole nother video we're going to do on a remedy from my family with black pepper. Get your raw apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, a bulb of garlic, pepper. Now, it's got to be the hot kind. I had jalapeno on hand, but you can use chili peppers, whatever floats your boat. An orange, a lemon, a lime, and an onion. Now, I chose a red onion because I love red onion, and I also love that pop of color. It just makes for a pretty fire cider. You're going to start and chop up all your vegetables and all your fruit and just slam that jar full. Pack it tight. Then you're going to take your spices, put about 2 teaspoons of your ginger, your turmeric, and I put a little extra of my black pepper, but that's all right because I love it. Put it on top, and then you're going to give your apple cider vinegar a real good shake. Now, that's so that the mother down in the bottom is all through the bottle, and you want it in there because that's where the good stuff is, and that helps heal. So pour it full to the bottom rim of your jar. Put your lid on, give it a good old shake. You're going to put this up in a cool, dark place for about a month. Then you're going to pull it out, and you're going to strain it. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to reiterate every bit of this because I want everybody to feel good. And then you're going to strain it, and if you want to, keep these fruits and vegetables in the spice mixture, and you can dry it out later, and I'll tell you that again. But let's get something here that'll make you feel better and put some pep in your step. All right, y'all, here's the end result of our fire cider. You can take this as a shot in a little shot glass, or you can mix it in water and take it at the onset of a cold or flu. It's antiviral, antibacterial, good gracious, anti-inflammatory. I mean, there's a lot of things in this that'll help you. If you feel sick and it's not like getting something from the store that's got a bunch of additives, this is all natural. It's old-timey, and it works. Try it. Put your herbs in there. I know I use the things that I know to put in there, but you could put some extra herbs in there, some vegetables, but you got to put that fire in there with your jalapenos or your peppers. Use what you got and make it. You're going to let it sit now for about a month in a cool, dark place. And then after that, you're going to drain it. And after you drain it, save those fruits and vegetables that came out of it, your garlic and all those things, and you can dry it out and grind it and use it on soups or stews or whatever for spice. But after you strain it, you're going to put that liquid in the refrigerator, and it's going to keep over a year. So put it in there for a whole month in a dark place, drain it out real good. Then you've got some beautiful liquid. I'll come back and do a video when I strain it so you can see what it looks like. And you got a natural remedy to fight off this nasty season that we're about to approach, and you did it in a good old-fashioned country way. Y'all be good.